Don't use a realtor. Did I get your attention? I guess that's really the first half of the sentence. The rest of it is don't use a realtor for a commercial real estate purchase. Of course, I love residential realtors. I have a lot of great friends that are residential realtors. They are awesome at helping you buy and sell homes. Cannot recommend that more. I'm a commercial real estate broker, and I would never try to sell your home or help you buy a home because that's not my specialty. That's not what I do well. This video is all about reasons why, if you're doing a commercial real estate purchase, you should work with a commercial real estate broker. Once again, much love to all my residential realtor friends out there. This is just me putting out some information about why it's in your best interest to work with a commercial real estate specialist on a commercial real estate transaction. So check out the video to learn why. Welcome to Commercial Real Estate Explained, where we help people make informed decisions about commercial real estate. So glad you're joining us here. Maybe I caught you with that little headline about don't use a realtor. The reality, what I'm really saying is don't use a residential realtor for a commercial real estate transaction. Now, residential realtors know more than I will ever know about the housing market. They know all the forms, they know all the trends. They are absolute experts, and you want one on your team if you're buying or selling residential real estate. Now, if you're doing a commercial real estate transaction, you really need to use a commercial specialist, and we're going to talk about 3 reasons why. Once again, I love residential realtors. They are awesome, they're great at their jobs, and they are perfect if you're working in residential real estate. This is just 3 reasons why you want a specialist. Reason number 1 is, you want somebody that only does commercial real estate, somebody that is working 24/7 in commercial real estate every single day. Now, there are a lot of people that do a little bit of both, and there's nothing wrong with that. I would just recommend that if you're going to work with someone to do a commercial real estate deal, ask them how many they've done in the last 6 months. If it's a very small number, or you could also ask them what percentage of your transactions are commercial versus residential. Once again, I don't know the first thing about residential real estate, and I should not represent anyone in one of those transactions. I would refer you to a residential expert, just like I think you're better suited to use a commercial expert. Just think about it. Let's say you were going in for, heart surgery. You're not going to want to have a dentist do it. Of course, both are highly trained professionals. They're experts. They've gone to a lot of school, but you want someone who specializes in exactly what you need. And that's why I think you should use a commercial real estate broker. A lot of people don't know this, but we have the exact same license. Believe it or not, it's not a separate licensing process. The test and the education is exactly the same. Where it differs is all of the years we spend doing our specialized transactions. Realtors sold hundreds and hundreds of homes, and they know exactly what they're doing. We've done hundreds and hundreds of commercial real estate transactions. So number 2, this may seem obvious, but it's very different markets. So for example, in the residential market, at least here in Sacramento, it is on fire. You put your house on the market and you have 30 tours and you have several offers a few days later. It is absolutely on fire. Commercial real estate is not the same. There are far less people that can buy commercial real estate than people that can buy homes. And so you just really have to have different expectations and go into it with a different mindset. If you use someone that doesn't know that, you might go in thinking that you're going to sell your commercial property in a month, and then it's actually going to take 6 months. You want somebody that is always doing commercial real estate. There's different terms in commercial real estate. There's different forms. There's different disclosures. Once again, you definitely want somebody that's doing this every single day, not someone who usually does residential and every once in a while does a commercial deal. You want to make sure that whoever you talk to, ask them what percentage of your transactions are commercial, how many have you done this year. You just want to vet them. So, lastly, if you have a residential realtor that you love, there's no reason you can't still work with them if you want them involved. What I would recommend is, have your residential realtor that maybe they helped you buy a home and you trust them, have them partner with a commercial real estate broker. We do that all the time. There are a lot of residential realtors that I love working with, and they just know that their client is better suited to have a local expert in this specialty, and so they'll bring us in to work alongside with them. So once again, if you have a realtor that you really trust and they're a part of your team, and you want them involved, you can have them partner with a commercial real estate, and most commercial real estate brokers are happy to do that as well. So really, those are three things to think about in regard to having a residential realtor represent you in a commercial real estate purchase. Once again, residential realtors are awesome. They're great at their job, but this isn't necessarily their specialty, and you want to make sure you have someone that is absolutely qualified and is working in the industry 24/7. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you got any value out of it, please hit subscribe. A like or a comment would be greatly appreciated. We're growing this channel here. We're putting out one video a week. So thank you so much for your support, and have a great rest of your week.